let's get started on running some electric, I guess. This is a plug-on neutral. A little bit different than, basically instead of having to have a neutral wire coming off my breaker on a dual function like a GFI breaker, arc fault breaker, some dual function, you don't do that. It just snaps right on. It's a lot cleaner installation, a lot nicer. I really don't know what I want my height of my plugs. I'll probably go with 48 inches. Or my light switches. Right there. I think I'm gonna go with the top of it to there. Let me make sure that's 1/2 inch, because the wood I'm using is supposed to be 1/2 inch. Yep. All right, that'll work. Had a proud nail there. Okay, that's light switch. This is going to be for his TV. I want to bring it up high enough. I think I'm going to put it right here, because there's going to be a shelf here. So I'm going to go 6 foot. What did I do with my hammer? If I keep up with stuff. He's got quite a bit of game systems, like any young man. So I think wonder if I can get a 2x between there. No. All right. I think I'm gonna put another one right there. If you ain't figured it out, this is my wife's son's room. He ain't helping me today, so he ain't my kid. All right, let me get some of this stuff moved. All right. All right. I prefer to keep them just all the same level. That's a hammer high. Alright, grab another box. I think I've already used them. Move this bad boy. Gotta get rid of some trash. Okay. Move this. Sorry. Guess I gotta clean up a little bit. On here, let's see here. Yeah, I'll put one here. Then his bed will be there, so I don't think he'll need one right here. We'll go over here to this side now. On this stud. All right, now we need to do the plug or the switch for the living room. All right, now we're ready. That better. I'm gonna make sure that's where I want it to come in. Can I go to leave? Yep. That feels good. All right. I'm gonna put a switch right down there. Yep. Our plug box. Let's see if I got any more left in here. Nope.